Hello, today I want to show you how you can copy your location and send it out to someone. But first of all, you have to ensure that your location has been turned on. If you've not done that, you toggle it on like I have done right now. So let's head over to our Google Map application. So you click on it to launch. Let's wait for it to open. All right, now you see the location button right here. You tap on it to find your location, and also you would like to wait for 5 or 6 seconds to determine your accurate location. All right, I think this is my accurate location right now. So how do I find the longitude or latitude of my location? What you do simply is to click hold on your screen, and there you go. That is your latitude and longitude, which gives your location information. So you can simply copy it out and send it out. Alternatively, look at the share button here. You click it and you can easily send it out to anybody. All right, so thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.